Good evening. This is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question I have today. And the question is, I'm running call only ads. Okay, for those who don't know that the call only ads, the primary people ask you the question is related to Google Ads. So it's a Google Ads. I'm running Google call only ads in Google Ads and have placed a $75 day ad spend budget for this campaign. It took several days, but I did get a click to call that converted into a call. Finally, you got a call which click to call which finally which converted into call. However, the cost for that click, one click was over $120 for that click. Too expensive. I don't know your niche. I don't know your target market. I don't know where you are targeting, but yeah, I have sympathies with you and I understand that $120 spending for a single call is way too expensive. I can understand. I checked the ad group settings and discovered that the bidding for that ad group was set to maximize conversions. I think that that is why it was so high for that conversion. My question is this: if I change the bid strategy away from conversions to click and then set a maximum cost per click bid limit lower than my daily budget, would this stop the cost per click going from going over the daily spend budget? Thanks in advance for any help in this. I know there are probably other things I can do too, but I want to know if this action will solve the problem. Okay, first of all, let me answer regarding your budget question in case if you may be wondering and surprised that like my budget is $75 a day and how come Google exceeded and $120 for that. Okay, even if your budget is $75, Google will say that Google will multiply it by 30 and will make sure that if your budget is 75 and if it multiplies with 30, so it's going to be $22.50. It's not going to cross your monthly budget. So Google says that you can see slight more expensive cost on your day budget, but it won't happen on a monthly basis. So uh, as far as the question is that your ad click should not cross your daily budget, don't worry with this. This is your answer. But regarding your own scenario where you are seeing that your cost per click is too much high, there are few things which I think I'm suggesting you to audit and improve your account. So for auditing your account, I believe that I agree with you that instead of maximize conversions only works well when you have conversion tracker installed on your campaigns and when you have got some data. If it's a fresh new campaign, I have never recommended to go with the maximize conversions, because when you do not have a conversion data, how Google will go to maximize it? Because Google needs some data to expand and to understand what kind of audience is going to work well for you. So which is why for new campaigns maximize conversions is not recommended at all. Instead, go with manual CPC or maximize clicks. You can opt for the maximize clicks and go with it. And yeah, I agree with you on this point. Like you can set a specific maximize clicks, and I can assume that you're setting a $10 per click budget. Okay, it also understand that what's your product is, what how much money you are willing to pay for each call, because yeah, definitely each call is not going to be converted, and we have to get on the cost to understand what's working well, and then we can reduce the cost by optimizing our quality score, and that is another story for another day. But I have discussed quality score in so much detail in my videos in quality score that you may have get an idea on how optimizing the quality score can reduce your cost and conversions. So that is another story. But over here, in case if I come on, I may also look on your keywords, your location. There can be a problem in your targeting location. You may be wondering on wrong target location. You may have did wrong bidding for devices. mistakenly, that can also cause an issue. So I will look on these factors. I will in fact look on your negative keywords and try to improve your negative keywords so this doesn't happen with you. And then I may also work on your ad extensions, and I also may look on your competitors, what your competitors are doing and how they are, tracking how much approximate cost they are paying. We have tools to use on this, and I can get it sorted. I can even do fraud click prevention, so this doesn't happen with you. So these are few of the tips which you can use to get it sorted and approved. Definitely I do not have the complete data, so based on the data you gave me, I suggested you few things you can work around. So I hope it answers your question. And in case if you need Google ads, Facebook ads, or Bing ads, or SEO or web development services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach with me and work with us in a form of a team. And I want you guys to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. And in case if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.